Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number 1 pick is Bissell 2306A Crosswave Vacuum and Mop Cleaner. This vacuum mop combo is similar to the Bissell Crosswave model, but it has a tangle-free brush roll and a pet hair strainer to handle pet messes. The corded machine mops and picks up dry debris with a microfiber and nylon brush while using a 28-ounce water tank and a 14.5-ounce dirt and debris tank. Users can reach into tight corners with a swivel head to remove stubborn pet hair. A specialized pet cleaning solution is also included in the machine to help eliminate pet odors. The Bissell Crosswave's ability to clean carpet and area rugs is one of its best features, making it a must-have for any pet-owning household. It performed admirably in our tests when it came to removing stubborn hair and odors from fabric. We also noticed that the roll is extremely soft, so there's no need to be concerned about cleaning delicate area rugs. It's still a good idea to read the manufacturer's instructions first. Our second best vacuum and mop combo is Shark VM252 VacMop Pro Cordless Vacuum Mop. The Shark Pro Vacuum Mop combo features powerful suction, a spray mopping system, and a pad release button for no-touch disposal of dirty cleaning pads when it's time to tackle both wet messes and dry debris on hard floors. With each push of the spray mopping button, the wide spray design ensures more coverage. The machine's LED headlights reveal hidden debris and crevices and cracks, and the swivel feature allows it to reach around every corner. When we tested this product on dark wood floors, where it's not always easy to see all of the dirt and debris, we were impressed with this feature. This cordless, portable machine is also lightweight, making it ideal for cleaning on the go and storing. With the purchase, you'll get 2 disposable cleaning pads and a 12-ounce bottle of multi-surface hard floor cleaner. The magnetic charger function makes charging the lithium-ion battery a breeze. This Shark model is a smart and efficient choice for both large and small spaces that get moderately messy. It also comes at a reasonable cost. We like that it came with a disposable pad that could be thrown away rather than washed, which is great for allergy sufferers. Third in our list is Mr. Sega Cordless Lightweight Vacuum and Mop Cleaner. Mr. Sega's low-cost vacuum mop combo cleans rugs and hard floors for a fraction of the cost. Cleaning all surfaces does not have to be expensive. At 2.86 pounds, this machine is also very light, making it a good choice for easy cleaning and storage. The device has an interchangeable head that can be used as a vacuum, a flat mop, or a dust collector. The head also swivels a full 180 degrees, making it easy to navigate stairwells and furniture legs. While the vacuum suction isn't as strong as some of the more expensive models, it's still adequate for light-duty cleaning. It comes with 2 filters, 2 microfiber mop cloths, and 2 dry sweeping pads, giving you a lot for your money. A hose attachment with a brush is also included. When we tested the brush attachment, it eventually removed pet hair from the sofa. However, we had to go over the area more than once. This isn't the most efficient choice for larger spaces at 10 inches across, but it's perfect for smaller homes, apartments, college dorms, and RVs. It's also easy to store due to its small size, even on a wall hook. For details, let's watch more.
Professional cleaning and vacuum cleaner 2-in-1. Strong suction power let cleaning more reliable. Vacuuming hair, dust, and mopping remove dirt at the same time. One step all clean. Microfiber cleaning cloth, powerful cleaning, and attract fine dust. Also compatible with Mr. Sega disposable dry paper wipes. Make your life easier. Professional cleaning and replaceable suction head, special shape grip, lightweight with great control, easy to handle for hidden corner and sealing. Take care every details. Create quality lifestyle.
Number 4 in our best vacuum and mop combo list is Ecovax D-Bot T8 IV Robot Vacuuming and Mopping. The Ecovax D-Bot T8 IV is an advanced AI-driven robot with a large 240 milliliter water tank that allows it to cover more than 2,000 square feet without needing to be refilled. It vacuums and mops at the same time, thanks to the Osmo mopping system, which has 4 levels of water control to suit a variety of floor surfaces. True mapping technology in the device detects and avoids objects, ensuring that no spot is missed during cleaning. While many robot vacuums are difficult to clean, this one has an easy-to-empty dirt cup that lifts right up. The accompanying smartphone app allows users to change cleaning schedules, vacuum power, water flow level, and more. In addition, the robot vacuum cleaner's HD camera provides live, on-demand home monitoring, similar to a security system. This is an excellent product for everyday cleaning, so use it instead of vacuuming once a week. The machine also has a long runtime of 3 hours thanks to the 5200 mAh lithium-ion battery. For details, let's watch more. Our last pick is Bissell Symphony Vacuum and Mop Cleaner. The Bissell Symphony Vacuum Mop Combo sanitizes floors with steam, removing 99.9% of germs and bacteria on bare floors with just water. The dry tank technology collects dirt and debris from floors and deposits it in the dry tank, while the machine steams at the same time using the 12.8-ounce water tank. This machine has a 5-way adjustable handle and digital controls for ease of use, as well as a quick-release mop pad tray that allows users to switch pads quickly. The vacuum mop combo is paired with Bissell's demineralized scent waters and freshening discs to give the home a freshly clean scent. The scrubby pad came in handy in our extra dirty kitchen tile floors, easily removing stuck-on dirt and dog food crud. Given the features, it's also reasonably priced. You aren't paying for a feature you may not need or use because it can't be used on carpet or upholstery.